Okay, guys, so here we are. FPV Duo Day. Vivitar FPV Duo, Walmart, $199. There's an unboxing a couple days back. We'll put a link in the description. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna turn it on. Today, it's all about flying it, seeing how the flight characteristics are, and how the goggles, how they are, how good they are, how bad they are, and how the camera goes. Because I do have oh, there it is. I do have an SD card in there, ready to go. So let's turn it on and see what happens. Let's turn on this. Okay, turn this on. Okay, now, guys, I'm going to go through this really quickly, and what I have to do is we've never flown up, down. Okay, I've never flown this before. We've never done anything except right now, so I'm going to calibrate it real quick with the geomagnetic calibration. Where is it? Right here. Okay, I have to hold the button. Let's put this back on it so I know what's going on. They give you the coolest little thing.
Wow.
To tell you exactly what it is, so you can hook it up. Okay, hold this down. Okay, and then pick it up and go clockwise until it beeps again. There we go. Yeah, I'm getting dizzy. Oh! Damn, I forgot. You gotta aim it down and go clockwise. There it goes until it beeps like that, and then it's done. And then when you're here, if you put it on a flat spot right after that, I'm a little dizzy, guys. I'm serious. I'll fall over. Put it on something flat, pretty flat. And which one is it? You hold both of these in the 7 o'clock location. See it? You hold them both like that. See the light blinking?
Yes.
Okay, so we're done. Now we take off and fly.
Yeah.
Well, now we link the goggles up and we fly. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'm going to show you something insane. Insane in the membrane. Okay. Uh-oh. First thing is the goggles are magic. And they spit out extra propellers. So, don't let me forget that. Alright, so if you look at the top, FPV Duo, CHB, off, on, and S. These are channels and stuff. There's your USB plug to charge them, and your instructions on there will tell you everything. That's just how to change a couple channels and search for that if there's extra people flying. Also, there's a thing on the bottom of the drone. You flip the numbers to link up to stuff. That's only if there's a bunch of you. But now, watch. Ready? On. Can you see something? What do you look? Yeah, watch out. Let me look. Oh, yeah, buddy. Oh, I can see that. That is insane, guys. Look at that. Can you see it?
I think so.
Okay.
It's just so dark or bright out here.
I'm going to put it on. Okay?
Okay.
Nappy head.
Mm-hmm.
Put it on, and I'm going to take it off. Shoo, I'm sweating.
I know. It's burnt. I had to take my shirt off.
Let me put these on, and then you take off how? How to lock and unlock, okay? If you look right here. Up here. That's how you lock and unlock it. And that's to get the motor spinning and whatnot, so let's go. And I'm going to hit record. So let me put these on. Okay, so I can see the drone right now. Alright. Okay, so I do know that this is speed. That's 2. That's 3. I need to go to 1. Okay. I do know. That's a picture.
Excuse me.
Okay, we're filming.
Yes.
Okay, so to take off it was what? This way? Is it spinning?
Looks like it. Sounds like it.
Spinning. All right, guys. guys. You ready? Let's go. Wow. So I'm flying.
Yeah. How does it feel in there?
It's pretty cool.
You've never done this before.
No, watch this. Hold on. It's actually amazing. I mean, I know what you're right in front of us.
I mean, there's no app, so it's weird,
there's no
isn't
app
it?
or anything, guys. So it's just you and the drone here. As you see us, it's amazing.
It looks like it's auto hovering.
It is. It's on GPS.
Wow, I didn't know a racing drone would do that.
Yeah, you can do. Well, this one isn't a full-blown racing drone. We gotta say this. This is a Vivitar racing drone from Walmart. So it's trying to get people into the, the drone world without being so hard. And
wow.
You know what? To be honest with you, I think it's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm absolutely loving it. I can see everything. And I'll put this up on the screen so everybody can see it. It's starting to get a little foggy right now, but not really. It comes
I can't.
in and out.
Yeah, I don't even. There it is.
Yeah. Okay, hang on. Okay, now I'm in second speed.
There she is.
Ooh. Moving a little faster. Can you see the drone?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm zoomed in. Now I'm zoomed out.
Woo! Scared me a little. Okay, so I'm gonna check out speed 3. Ready? That's 3.
What does 3 mean?
That's the fastest.
Uh-oh.
So I'm gonna turn it around. Is it faster?
Looks like it.
Shoo, it's coming.
Wow.
Yeah, it's faster.
Jeez.
Okay, so can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
I'm gonna push stop on the recording when
Okay.
we get over to us. Oh wait, wrong button. That's that way. Oh no, that's right. I was spinning. Okay, my brain. Oh, there's wind today.
Yes.
Man, it's moving.
Oh, I hear it. Dang.
Whoa, that thing's moving, guys. Oh, there's wind blowing too. Okay, so can you take the goggles and hold the camera and film them?
Yeah.
So you might want to turn that way. You know what I mean? To
Yeah.
get
There.
the sun out of it, and then I'm gonna see. See what I mean?
Yes.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's bring it over here. You know what? Let's land it real quick. Okay, guys, so for the one thing that I did notice and I did figure out, it's a beginner first-person view drone. I don't believe they want to call it, well, they do call it a camera racing drone.
Yeah.
So it is a racing drone. Okay, but then here's the problem. You see this camera on the front right here? It does have, like, if you hit the ground, amazing flexibility. It's got a shock on it. It's beautiful, right? You can adjust it down, up, but a racing drone leans when you're going fast, right? The camera doesn't lean up enough, so all you're seeing is the ground, and it scares you in them goggles.
Wow.
Because all you see is the ground.
Yeah, you don't know if you're going to run into anything.
So yeah, that's right. So you got to be high up. So basically, I mean, if you're high up, you're great.
Yeah.
But basically, you don't want to be real low, run into stuff.
Yeah.
So
there's no obstacle courses.
Keep that in mind.
Yeah.
But for $199, if it keeps flying like it is, and everything keeps working right, it's a good deal because racing drones are expensive.
How much are they normally?
A racing drone?
Like the Wizard.
Well, the Wizard's going to be... Well, you got to remember that...
Oh, that's a professional drone flying.
Yeah, but that's without goggles, right?
Oh.
No. It came with goggles.
Some did, some didn't.
It was like
just
300,
depends.
350 now. But that thing is like... That's not take out of the box.
Yeah.
Push go and fly like this is. That's... You have to get on your computer, you have to program some stuff, you got to do this, you got to do that. You got to know what you're doing. That's kind of like the Drone Racing League, DRL.
Okay.
So there's a lot that you got to know to do that. This is aimed at...
Getting your feet wet.
People that are new to drones, that think about, maybe I want to fly a racing drone, and let's see what it's all about. You get your own goggles. You get a nice brushless drone that's so quiet it's ridiculous.
I can't believe it's brushless, by the way.
It's beautiful. Tiny brushless engines. A nice controller. It does everything it says it's supposed to do. It also, you can take it off in GPS mode for like indoor flight.
Oh,
You
wow.
can do that. Let's see what else you can do. I don't remember. But there's a lot of stuff you can do with it. So it's worth $200. I'm going to give it the thumbs up because I like flying.
Yeah. Seems pretty easy.
It is. It's take out of the box, do a few things, and you're flying, guys, and you're recording in your first person.
So cool.
You can't beat it. It's $199.99. That's your Walmart. Come take a gander. Right there. Hey, 4.3-inch FPV screen. I mean, it's just... It's good.
Yep.
I have nothing bad to say about it, except for the camera doesn't go up a little bit. But honestly, it doesn't get leaned far enough for you to worry about it too.
Okay.
So it's they did good. What's that is? Oh, I forgot to turn this off. All right, guys. Thanks for joining. If you haven't seen the unboxing, I'll put a link in the description below. We love y'all, and thumbs up and share. It's never too late to do it. Just go do it, and tomorrow it's never too late to go anything. You just want to do it.
Jeez, man. Yeah.
Just do it.
Nike.
23 Skidoo.
Swoosh. We love you.